Let me show you how to create a premium YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT for absolutely free. As a complete beginner or total novice, I will show you for free. Do well to share this video with your loved ones, save, comment and subscribe. Let's dive into the video. So head over to your ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. If you don't have it, go and download it from Play Store if you are using Android phone, or from your iOS store if you are making use of iPhone. So click the plus button, click photos. Okay, it's for MTN. I want to create a thumbnail on MTN data chip code. Yes, MTN chip code for data. Click MTN. You have to download that MTN icon from any social media platform, maybe Pinterest. I downloaded mine from Facebook anyway, so I choose this image. Click. Okay, wait for the two images to load. You can see two of them are loading. So I paste this prompt. Act as the world best YouTuber. I need to create 8K resolution YouTube 16:9 or 16:9 premium thumbnail with the attached image. The video is about MTN data cheat code. I need high attention grabbing and attention retaining YouTube thumbnail. Maintain the attached image face, but let it express surprise like someone who really found a real data cheat code. Give me a world-class standard thumbnail design idea. You can see it, Abby. Idea. Okay, so you need to describe it very well. 16:9 aspect ratio is for long video, YouTube long video. Okay, 9:16 is for short video, like shorts. Then click send. You will see how it. Okay, it's even creating the image already. Let's see. It's slow because I'm using free ChatGPT version, and with free ChatGPT version you can create just maybe 4 flyers, 4 photos. It'd be maximum of 4, but if you want to create more than, you have to go for the premium plan. So let's hold on, let it create. After creating, you will see what it will give us. It's very easy. You can screenshot the prompt. See the prompt, you can screenshot it. Okay, let's wait and see what it will give us. This is very easy. This is what people charge you 10 to 25,000 naira to teach you, but here you are learning it for free. Please do well to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Save the video, also comment and like. When you like the video, more people like you sees it. When you share your comments in this comment section, we also learn from you. You can see it. You can see it now. You can see it. Hope you can see it. MTN data cheat code. You can click this download icon at the top to download. You can see it. Then if you want to change anything, you use this edit. Okay, let's say remove you put, okay, *312 *777#. Okay, but maintain the image, facial or face and facial expression, because if you didn't say it like that, it might change some things there. Okay, let's see it's creating again, recreating again. So just have patience, have patience to free thing. That is how it is. So have patience. Okay, do well to share this video. Don't forget, do well to share. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Okay, recreating. Okay, the result is about to show. Okay, you can see it, this one is okay. You download, just click the download icon up here, image saved. That is all. That is how to do it. I'm doing forgot 247, a product consultant, a creator, an influencer, an entrepreneur. I also work with Shop Plug Electronics and Home Appliances, Lagos, where we sell quality electronics and durable home appliances for smart Nigerians like you. Okay, you can send us a DM via 081 6727 4342, 081 6727 4342, and see you on the next one. Bye.